Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, you will be able to learn how to add a custom certificate. The certificate module creates a PDF certificate diploma for the students in a course. You can add borders, watermarks, seals, signatures, outcomes, grades, add custom text to a certificate via settings menu. To do this, go to your course page and make sure to turn editing on. Select the particular activity you want to add and choose the custom certificate from the activity chooser and click the add button. Give it a name, for example, certificate example. From the option settings, email student, email teachers, and email others. If it's set to yes, this will email the copy of the certificate when it becomes available. Allow anyone to verify a certificate. These settings enable anyone with a certificate verification link to verify a certificate. Required minutes in course. Enter here the minimum amount of time in minutes that a student must be logged into the course before they will be able to receive the certificate. Set protection. Choose the action you wish to prevent users from performing on this certificate. For this example, I will choose print. Once done, scroll down and click the save and return to course. Now that the settings are already set up, the next thing that we have to do is to add an element. Click the certificate and gear icon, edit certificate. So this is the width and height in millimeter, 210 millimeter and 297 in millimeter. For the reference, an A4 piece of paper is 210 millimeter wide and the letter is 216 millimeter wide. Enter here the left and right margin of the certificate, but for this example, I will leave this blank. If you notice, there is add element button. Elements are what will consist of your certificate. If you take a look at the list of the element that you can add, we can categorize the element into dynamic and static. So what are those elements? The elements are background image, border, category name, code, course field, course name, date, date range, digital signature, grade, grade item name, image, QR code, student name, teacher name, text, user field, and user picture. So those are the elements that you can add to your certificate. We can categorize the element into dynamic and static. Dynamic element are elements that are changeable upon generating. For example, the user picture, the student name, and the grade. So those are the elements that are changeable. So another element is the static element that won't be changed upon generating. For example, the background image and the text. Click the add button. For this example, I will add the background image and click the add element button. So for this tutorial, I will show you where to download the free certificate template, which is canva.com/certificates/templates. So we have here a free certificate templates for work, for a diploma, for the award, appreciation, high school diploma, employee of the month recognition, and etc. So for this example, I will choose the appreciation certificate and select a particular activity. Select a particular certificate. Use this template and remove the name. Click the download button and save as PNG. Now that the certificate is already downloaded, you can now go to your course page and upload the certificate. Click this icon, choose file, and select the certificate you want to add. Upload this file, and so make sure in image to select the file name of this particular picture. Once done, click the Save Changes button. To see the layout of the certificate, click the Reposition Elements. You will see that this is the certificate that I download in the canva.com. Another element that I want to add is the student name. So I will choose student name and then click the Add Element button. Select a font, size, and color. For example, and then the size is 36, and then the color is green. Once done, click the Save Changes button. Click the Reposition element to drag the student name. Week Angela Sakdalan, the student name. So take note that the student name is the dynamic element, which means it is changeable upon generating. So as you can see, the element that we need to add is the president and CEO and the date. So to add element, click the save and close again, and then I will add a text, and I will type here the text, and then select the font size. For example, 15, and save changes. Another element, the last element that I will add is the date. Select the date item. If it issued date, current date, completion date. For this example, I will choose this issue date. Date format, for example, 6 July 2018, July 6, 2018. For this example, I will choose this July 6, 2018. The font and the size. Click the Save Changes, and then to see the layout of the certificate, click the Reposition element and drag and drop the element that we add. December 11, 2020, and the text that we add is Cheryl Villarman. So that this is the custom certificate that we do. Save and close button. So to download the certificate, click the certificate example, and then click the view certificate. So that would be all. As you can see, the certificate is already downloaded. That would be all for the how to add a custom certificate. Thank you for watching.